Hey guys, and I'm back here with another Fashion Friday DIY. And this week, we will be hacking the oh so trendy Rihanna. So this week, I was going through a couple of Pinterest posts and blogs, and I found this banging ass rainbow sweatsuit that Rihanna wore. So I decided, still here in Vegas, still a little cool, so I can pull off a sweatshirt. Probably not the top and the bottom, but I can wear them as separates. So stay tuned so you can see how to make your very own Rihanna-inspired sweatsuit. So for this, you want to lay out a trash bag or anything that you have to protect your workspace. It's large enough. Now these are the paints that I will be using. This purple, I'm going to use a blue, green, yellow, orange, and pink. So you want to test out your watercolor. So we'll add a few drops. Okay, now to test how well your colors are or how bright, you want to take a paper towel and just dip it in there to see if you need to add any extra colors to it. Okay, so truly none of my colors are bright enough, so I'm going to add some more paint to it. Okay. Let's test it again. Better. So now, a lot better. So old one, new one. Okay, so now time for our sweatshirt. I got this sweatshirt from H&M for about $10. So let's do it.
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins.
Alright, so back and finished the sweatshirt. So now we're going to go in and heat press it, which just means you're going to pass the iron over the entire sweater for about 20 seconds each time. Hold it there for about 20 seconds, but you want to do this on each piece. So you want to cover the entire shirt. And what this will do is kind of smash the color into the different, smash the color into the fabric so that it stays. If you're afraid that the color is going to rub off on your iron, you can put a light linen piece of fabric in between the iron and your shirt. But and then after that, go ahead and put it in the dryer for about 30 minutes and then you'll be all set.